So many of you are likely aware that dinosaurs once roamed the Earth, and their reign is immortalized through countless fossils, movies, and cartoons. But if you're anything like me, you might have wondered about a particularly intriguing question. Did dinosaurs ever make their mark in India? And, perhaps more specifically, did my personal favorite, the mighty T-Rex, ever roam this land? For those of you seeking a speedy answer, yes, India did have dinosaurs, and quite a few of them. However, if you're eager to dive into the juicy details and the full scoop, stick around till the end. So, as we have said, India was once home to a spectacular array of these magnificent creatures, and we're here to dive into the nooks and crannies of this ancient realm to unearth the secrets of its dinosaur inhabitants. You might know that India wasn't the majestic land we recognize today. Around 230 million years ago, before the Himalayas rose and the subcontinent took its prominent place in South Asia, the Indian landmass was quite different from what it is now. It was part of the ancient supercontinent Gondwana, which also comprised what we now know as Africa, South America, Antarctica, and Australia. As the continents drifted apart, India became a separate landmass, drifting as an isolated island in the vast oceans of the ancient past. It was around this time that dinosaurs emerged on the continent. It's likely that many of these dinosaurs lived and perished on this island-like India before it collided with the Eurasian plate, leading to the formation of the Himalayas. The fossil record from this ancient land unveils a fascinating variety of dinosaur species, spanning different eras of the Mesozoic era. As you might know, the Mesozoic era is divided into three periods: Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous. In India, most of the dinosaur fossils are from the later two periods, the Jurassic and the Cretaceous. So, what kinds of dinosaurs roamed India? Dinosaur fossil discoveries are primarily concentrated in the states of Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, and Andhra Pradesh. In the fossil-rich desert beds of Rajasthan, particularly around the districts of Jaisalmer and Barmer, an impressive array of dinosaur fossils has been uncovered, including both sauropods and theropods. Among these, sauropodomorphs or sauropods, such as Therosaurus indicus, were long-necked giants that roamed India during the late Jurassic period, highlighting that India once hosted some of the tallest creatures ever to walk the Earth. Another notable sauropod, Jaisalmeria, also lived in the late Jurassic period within what is now the Rajasthani Desert. Named after fossil remains discovered in the Jaisalmer region, Jaisalmeria enriches our understanding of the large herbivorous dinosaurs that once thrived in India. To the south of Rajasthan, the Deccan Traps in Gujarat have proven to be a treasure trove of crucial dinosaur fossils, significantly enhancing our knowledge of Cretaceous-era dinosaurs. Among the notable finds are Isosaurus and Titanosaurus. Isosaurus was a herbivorous sauropod renowned for its impressive long neck and substantial size. The discovery of its fossils provides valuable insights into the diversity of long-necked dinosaurs that once inhabited the region, highlighting the variety of plant eaters in ancient India. Titanosaurus, on the other hand, was a colossal sauropod, distinguished by its enormous size. As one of the last of the sauropods, it offers a glimpse into the later stages of the dinosaur era in India. Its fossils underscore the grand scale and evolution of the dinosaur population during the Cretaceous period. Adjacent to Rajasthan and Gujarat, the state of Madhya Pradesh is home to the Narmada Valley, renowned for its significant fossil discoveries, including bipedal predators like Rajasaurus from the late Cretaceous period. Rajasaurus was a formidable carnivore that roamed during this time, and the fossils unearthed in the Narmada Valley provide crucial insights into the powerful predators that once dominated the Indian landscape. The name Rajasaurus is particularly apt, derived from the Hindi word Raja, meaning king. This name reflects both its impressive status as a top predator in its ecosystem and the cultural importance of the region where it was found. In Andhra Pradesh, a significant discovery was made with the fossil of a large herbivorous dinosaur classified as a sauropod, known as Barapasaurus. This dinosaur is one of the earliest known from India, playing a crucial role in bridging gaps in the early record of dinosaurs. The discovery of Barapasaurus offers valuable insights into the early stages of dinosaur evolution in the Indian subcontinent, shedding light on the types of large plant eaters that existed during the formative years of the Mesozoic era. Despite the diverse array of dinosaurs that once roamed the Indian subcontinent, some of the most iconic dinosaurs never made their way to this region. Notably, the legendary Tyrannosaurus rex and the formidable Triceratops left no fossil traces in Indian soil. This absence is largely because these famous species were native to different continents. T-Rex roamed the forests of North America, while Triceratops inhabited what is now the United States. The geographical separation of their habitats explains why these celebrated giants did not become part of India's prehistoric landscape. Nevertheless, India was one of the first places in Asia where dinosaur fossils were discovered, with the first dinosaur egg ever found on the subcontinent unearthed in the 19th century. This highlights India's early and significant role in the history of paleontology. Additionally, India's dinosaurs thrived in a distinctive ecosystem shaped by volcanic activity. The Deccan Traps, a vast volcanic region, created a unique landscape that influenced the types of dinosaurs that lived there. Fossil evidence also indicates that some dinosaurs in India may have had migratory patterns, traveling across ancient land bridges to what is now Africa and other parts of Asia. There's a lot to discuss about dinosaurs in India, but that's all for now in terms of your intellectual curiosities. By the way, the response to the last two videos has been amazing, and I'm so grateful for your support. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking it and subscribing to the channel. There are many more exciting videos coming your way, and your support helps me keep delivering the content. Thank you, and I'll catch you all in the next video.